Hello guys, this is David here, and this is the trade we took today, USDJPY and also USD So I'm going to be breaking down the reason I took the buy on USD CAD and also USDJPY. Alright, stay with me, let's dive right into it. Alright, so before I start, let me just clear everything so I have a clean chart and we can dive right into this trade. Alright, so let's start from our weekly time frame. You always want to start from your higher time frame to get full view of what the market is doing. Right, so if you go to your weekly time frame, we can see that okay, this market is obviously bullish because you can see with your eyes that you can see that okay, this market is creating series of higher highs and a higher lows. So we expect this market to continue going to the upside. Alright. So knowing that, I want to look for our zones. Let me just drop down to our daily time frame so we get a clearer view of what is happening in the market. Right, so look at this. On the daily time frame, we can see the structure. We have this break of structure to the upside, and since we have this break of structure, we expect price to come down to the discount zone and give us more push to the upside, and that is exactly what price did. Price came all the way to this particular key level. It's a support zone. Price came all the way to this support level, and you can see price pushing up. So I expect price to take out this swing high, because we know in a bullish market we expect price to keep on creating new highs. So I expect price to take out this high to create a new highs. Right, so if you drop down to your 4-hour time frame, look at this on our 4-hour time frame. So if you drop down to our 4-hour time frame, we have the structure like this. Look at the structure. We have this high created this low created this high, and then price tap on this our demand zone or a support level, anyone you want to use. So price tap it, and you can see this massive push to the upside. This demand zone caused price to take out this high. So this is like a change of character, or you can call it flip, or a market structure shift. People call it different name. Just know that okay, the fact that price invalidated this high, we expect price to keep on creating new highs. Alright, so price invalidated this high. I just mark it out as a flip. Alright, I mark it out as a flip. Price flip this high, so I expect price to keep on creating new highs because of that, and we're targeting this particular high. So if you drop down to your daily your 1-hour time frame, I got my entry from my 1-hour time frame. Look at how I got in on this particular entry. We can see before price flipped this zone, you can see price was creating series of high highs. Right, so having a series of high highs and higher lows. So price was already creating structure before we had that flip. And look at our structure price created before the flip. We had this zone. This zone had a liquidity sweep here, and price created an inducement. I think I have to drop down. You can still see it here. Look at this zone. We had this inducement right here. So price tap on this zone, and this is where I expect price to buy from this particular zone. So this is a flip entry here. From here, stop loss right below this zone. And where's our target? Normally I know that price is targeting this high, but I just place my targets right here. This is about almost a 4-hour, and you can see we're about to smash take profit on this particular trade. And in case you are wondering, did I actually take this trade? Let me show you guys proof where I called the trade. I didn't only just take this trade, I also called it for free with my channel. Look at this. This is my channel, David. I called the trade for free, and everyone made money with me on this particular trade. Let me show you guys proof. Okay, look at here. USDJPY is about to smash TP. Look at when I called the trade. I called the trade here. Buy USDJPY now. Stop loss and take profit. Look at the trade before, and you can see the trade now. We're about to smash take profit. So you can join my Telegram channel, David. You can just search it David, or use the link on my profile to join my Telegram channel. I give out trade signals for free. I don't want to miss it, trust me. Alright, so we took this, and we also took USDCAD. Let me show you guys. So look at the trade USDCAD. You can see we smashed TP on this, and let me show you guys when I caught this particular trade on my Telegram channel also. So let me show you guys. Where did I call it? This particular trade was on, I think, on Tuesday or Wednesday. All right. Okay, look at this. Look at when I took this trade. I mean, on this trade, USDCAD, manage your risks if you want to join me. So look at the particular trade before it happened, and you can see it now. It's smashed TP. So let me break down the reason why I took this particular buy on USDCAD. Right, so let's drop down to a higher time frame. I'm going with my weekly time frame. Right, let me delete everything. So if you've been following me on my last on all my trade breakdown, you know that okay, on the last video I told you guys that we're expecting crazy buys on USDCAD, but let me redo it because it's not everyone has a particular video. Right, so if I should delete everything, and start from monthly time frame. Right, so look at this. On the monthly time frame, we are bullish. You can see we're having a series of higher highs and higher low, higher highs, higher low. We expect price to give us a new higher high. So about my points, that is. Alright, so knowing that we expect price to give us a new higher high, since we've tapped on our higher low, price tap on this particular support key level, and if you drop down to your weekly time frame, you can see that we had a market structure shift. Lately we tap on that support level, so I'm expecting more buys from here because we've gotten to our discount zone. I'm expecting price to like even take out all these highs from this particular zone. Alright, seeing that on the weekly time frame, we can see that price actually tap on this particular open and close level. Right, so you know what open and close means. Price tap on this open and close level and can see the rejection price is doing. Immediately we tap on that open and close level. So let me go down to our daily time frame before we find entries. Alright, on the daily time frame, this is just a QMR level. You can see price tap on the QMR level and we're having good rejection of the QMR. And although if you observe, I was not like targeting this high on this particular trade. My target was short. I was targeting just 2 hour or 2.5 hour rather. I was targeting just 2.5 hour on this particular trade. The reason is because, let me show you guys. So in as much as we're in the discount zone, I expect price to buy. I still expect price to like come to this our order block. Right, so I expect price to like come to our order block before buying. So I don't want to start buying here and then I don't want to start taking buys here and then price going to like come all the way to this zone and stop me out, you get. So that's why I just took 2.5 hour and I left the market immediately. So let me break down the reason why I took that particular trade. So look at this. Price is rejecting off this order block right here. You can see price rejecting off this order block here. And even before that, we're having like a bearish structure to the downside. We have this break of structure to the downside. Alright, so price is like bearish. It's not like it's entirely bearish, it's just like a counter trend for us to get to buy zone and keep on buying. So at this point, I was expecting okay, price might even sell from here. That's why I quickly took my trade and get out of the market. So price tap on this order block on the 4-hour time frame. And if you drop down to like 1 hour, you can see this on the 1 hour. We had a market structure shift. Look at this. Look at the structure. We had this low created a high. This high swept liquidity and had a shift here. We had a shift. So saying this, I know that okay, it's like a safe zone for me to quickly take a counter trend to like the premium of this our sell range. And I took my trade from here, this particular level. I took my buy from this particular level, like this. My stop loss right here. My target was just this high. Normally, I could have targeted this high and expect price to like drop from there, but I didn't really want to stay long in this market, so I target this high, and this is like a 2.5 hour, 2.5 hour this particular trade. So it is that easy. You can see it here. Although I had this here, but I didn't take this trade because I didn't want to like start trending. This is just the buy we took and we smash take profit. Right, and I also just called a trade on you can see I'm also giving them market insight and also give them signal. So even want to join the Telegram channel with the link. All right, see you guys inside and see you guys on the next one. Stay jiggy.